time is it? We are in the last minute of a 5-minute candle, so I don't want to jump in right away. I want the turn of the 5-minute candle. Let me turn on the timer for you. So see this? I sit on my hands the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. Now we are getting an A+ setup on ES, NQ, and the VIX. Just watch this guy. Let me mark it here. All right, so why don't I show you the end of this candle? Wherever it's gonna end. Okay, and a lot of times you get retracement at the beginning of a new 5-minute candle. And I don't want to enter. Oh, this thing's just pushing down. I usually wait about 1 minute into the new candle. We are coming down. And I'll tell you why we're in this trade, or we're about to get into this trade rather. All right, so we got that retracement up, and I'm getting in. Okay, one contract, and I'll explain to you why I'm in this trade. So first things first, we have a red background. The bears are in control. Red background, the bears are in control, and I'm on a funded account, so I'm just going to go. I think we're going to get some retracement back up to the Maverick guide before if we were to continue to back to the downside, but I like this. So bears are in control, red background. Okay, wow, this is moving quick. All right, hang on 1 second, guys. Let me put my stop loss to break even. +1 tick. Protect myself. All right. So bears are in control. Red background. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction, okay? So right now we have hot pink candles. That is your strongest downside data candle. How great is it that you had, look at this. You had you had green candles, which is your second strongest upside candle. Then you had gray reversal, which means that it's starting to cool off, to red, your second strongest downside candle data, and now hot pink. And look at it, we got in way late. I was trading Tesla options, and I can show you my P&L on that. Go look at Tesla this morning off the open. We crushed it. And all I did was wait for a hot pink candle, and man, we flew down like crazy. And I can show you that chart. It looks like I might get stopped out here for break even. And I know many of you guys are going to email me and go, why didn't you take the $400? Well, I'm also teaching you guys this. So what I call it, retracement back up to the Maverick guide. And I'm going to wait. I'll get back in this thing. No problem. Okay, so we're going to wait till we get an A+ setup on all three before we get back in. But the bears are in control. Hot pink candles. Look at all these down confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 down confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. I mean, just absolutely screaming at you to get in. It's unbelievable. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. This sucker went 16. Oh my God. I mean, it went 30, was that $41 on ES? That's crazy. That's like 160 ticks, if my math is correct. Sorry, I'm still drinking my coffee. 5 traders are mostly voting bearish across 6 time frames. Now we're coming up to test the Maverick guide. Let's see if we get it. Last minute of a 5-minute candle. But this is, how did I know to jump in? Well, first off, I had an A+ setup on all three, the ES, the NQ, and the VIX. But on top of that, I had hot pink candles. I had a red background. I had multiple down confidence arrows screaming at me to get in. My Maverick trender was pegged. Look, this indicator right here, the Maverick trender, when it's at the top, okay, when it's pegged at the top, it can't go any further, and you get these flat tops. And we just have tremendous momentum to the downside. It's unbelievable. Same thing here. Look, it's pushing off the Maverick guide, okay? Pushing off the Maverick guide. I don't want to break my rules. First minute and last minute of a 5-minute candle. I don't want to break my rules, but this looks like we're going to, if I get an A+ setup on, okay, boom, getting in. I got an A+ setup on all three. I'm going to set my stop loss right there. Take profit down there. Okay. A+ setup on ES, A+ setup on NQ, A+ setup on VIX, which runs the opposite of both of these. All right. Red background, bears are in control. Prices below the blue line, the Maverick guide. When prices below the blue line, we like to go short. Look at this. Okay. Look at that. When prices above the blue line, we like to go long. All right. Not rocket science. All right, so prices below the blue line, we have a red background, we have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, all right? Sorry, I'm trying to get this all on the recorded screen here. Your Maverick trender is pegged to the top again, showing massive strength and momentum. You have a downtrend label. Hello, hello. All 5 traders, think of T1 through T5, all 5 traders, these are algorithms, follow me here, but all 5 traders, okay, they all have a completely different style. They're all voting bearish across almost all 6 time frames, and you can add a 7th time frame, and you can change these time frames to whatever you want. If you want the 30-minute, the 4-hour, the 6-hour, that's fine. If you want the 1-minute, the 2-minute, like me, that's fine too. We have so what this indicator down here is doing, and I have my TradingView window open up, but I'm trading on NinjaTrader, is that it is scanning across all these things I just showed up. Bears are in control. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, our strongest downside data candle. The Multi-X. All 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames. The Maverick guide, prices below the Maverick guide. The trender is pegged to the top. And when I get an A+ setup on ES and NQ, and they're running together, and then the VIX runs opposite of both of them, if I have an A+ setup on all of them, look at this. I jump back in. We took the first one, break even, because I'm teaching you guys. And now I'm going to put this back to break even. Okay. And look, like, and by the way, I'm not teaching you how to trade. Don't follow me on how to trade. Okay. Like, we're an indicator company, but I mean, I'm not predicting this. I'm not like a psychic. I just have really good indicators that show me the data underneath the hood. Okay. So now we're coming up to this resistance area right here. Can we break it? I don't know. If we can break it, that'll be beautiful. Okay, look, beautiful. All right, $500. Let's see here. Now I wish I would have taken 2 so I could trim. I might, let's see here, where are we at? We still have another 1.5 minutes. Really feels like it wants to break this. I still have an A+ setup. If we can break this level right here, that'll be huge. But this is a pretty strong level right here. Maverick trender pegged to the top. All 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames, mostly bearish. Hot pink candles. Okay. A+ setup. Maverick trender pegged to the top. You have a downtrend label. Prices below the blue line, the Maverick guide. Okay. Prices below the blue line. All right, beautiful. Another confidence arrow to the downside. Look at these confidence arrows. These aren't buy and sell signals. These are confidence arrows going, hey, let's go. Downside. Come on, break this. Come on, baby, break this. And if we retrace back up to here, I really don't want to give back all that profit again. I was up 400 bucks or whatever. So I'm just going to put my stop loss here. I'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, so there you go. This is a really strong level, okay? Really, really strong level. So could I have closed it out for 500 bucks? Yes. But I want you guys to see how these indicators work. And again, I'm on a funded account. This isn't like I'm, trust me, every emotion in me is going, oh, okay, that was 400 bucks. We just broke even. Oh, okay, I'm up 550 bucks. I should have just closed it out. I don't care. I want to show you guys how these behave, but also you got to have price. You got to know basic price action. I mean, if this is a strong level right here, if a car's going 100 miles an hour, you might look at it and go, wow, as long as you keep on the gas, it's going to keep going 100 miles an hour until it hits a wall. And then I don't care how hard you push on the gas, you're going to hit the wall, right? So this is how we have clear vision on our charts. This is how we see underneath the hood. We don't just see price and direction. We see massive downside data, buying and selling. And this is like trading with 5 other traders. This is how you have clear vision on your charts. I wasn't stressed at all. I'm trading a real funded account, like easy peasy, right? And you guys saw the first one, we're up 450. Let it go back to break even. The next one, what I closed out for 325, 350. And, but I was up 550. But the whole time I'm just super relaxed because I just see the data on here. I'm not freaking out. I'm not wondering if I'm going to lose all my funded, if I'm going to blow one of my funded accounts. Not any of that, right? I just see the data and I watch the indicators and I just take the trade and I'm like completely relaxed. Okay. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had, if you want to see what's actually underneath the hood versus just red and green candles, like are the bears in control? Do you have the hottest downside data, all that stuff? Come check us out, okay? And anybody that is a lifetime member of our Maverick AI Pro bundle before Sunday at midnight will get the Maverick Radar. We're about to release this, the Maverick Radar, for free. So right now you get 8 free indicators. The Maverick Trender is one of them. The Bear Bull is one of them. The Maverick Radar is one of them. I mean, you want to talk bang for buck? Unbelievable. All right. So listen, I'm going to keep an eye on this because if we break this level, I'm getting back in. 2 A+ setups right here. Yeah. So come check us out. We would love to help you crush it in 2026. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. We would love to for you to use our indicators in 2026. All right, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And I'm going to take another trade right now, and because we still have hot downside data, and everything's looking good. And we got 3 A+ setups right here, all aligned. So I'm getting back in this sucker. All right, guys, have a great day. Trade safe. MaverickIndicators.com.